Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. Let's jump into today's install and review, shall we? Because baby, this is very much giving easy. It's giving beginner friendly. It's giving if you don't have a talent when it comes to hairstyling, it doesn't matter. I got you. Let's give a warm welcome back to today's hair sponsor, Luvmehair. They have some of the most beautiful beginner-friendly glueless wigs. When I tell you your wig's gonna look good all day long without being secured down and it's gonna look like you have it melted, yeah. Today, what do I have installed? If you've never heard the term parting max, you might be curious, you might be a little confused. Parting max means maximum amount of parting space. You can part it this way. You can part it diagonal, okay? You can part it down the middle. You can part it on the side. You can tell that their wigs are made with class and quality, actually care about the consumer and the customers, and there's no funny business going on over there at Luvmehair. So I appreciate Luvmehair for caring about their influencers, their followers, supporters, customers, all of the above. I appreciate you, Luvmehair, for that. And I've collaborated with Luvmehair so many times because of all of these factors. It's not just do they make a beautiful wig, it's all of the above. It's the customer service, it's the experience, it's what they do to give back. It's all of these things that are really important to me as a wig influencer. I am going to install this wig the way that it came, but this is the second look, the final look. This is the caviarkezzy look. Today what I have installed is a 24-inch 7x6, so 7 inches by 6 inches deep. Look at her. Deep. This is their layered body wave wig. This is in their 3D cap, meaning it fits beautifully on your head. It doesn't need any lace tint. It just fits gluelessly because of that fitted cap technology. It comes with pre-plucked hairline, all of the above. It has breathable sections in the back where the wefts are kind of exposed. Say you live somewhere where it's hot all the time. This is a beautiful wig, and it comes styled like this. Silicone grip adhesion at the back, so it helps keep that wig in place. I'm talking through this install because once I'm done with this, once I put her on, it's pretty much over. Like it's not, what else am I supposed to do? The wig is done, right? Like, look, yeah, it's amazing. Let's go in with our big comb, big teeth comb, okay? Comb her out. Luvmehair has beautiful hair, guys. Beautiful hair. I love it. And you can see the layers right here, right here. Very silky hair, by the way. We're going to curl under. Yeah, because we want it to lay like that, right? Do you see how flush that's laying? And look at the hairline, guys. Pre-plucked hairline. Beautifully pre-plucked, by the way. I like volume, so I don't want it too defined. I want the curls to be va-va-voom. Yeah. Guys, that's it. That's all. If you want to level it up, if you want to, I want to. This is the Super Stay Maybelline Super Stay Powder 24 hours. I'm gonna dab it. I use the color that's my complexion and I just go over it. Because when you don't have the wig secured, it does tend to look a little lighter on the lace. Just dab some water because it does kind of look better once it's wet, saturated. Not keeping it glueless, then than I would have used some melting spray. What do we think, y'all? This is for the girls who love a layered look. If you love layers, this will be right up your alley. This is what a fitted cap is. Not all glueless wigs fit like this. That's just a fact. And how you can tell if a wig is fitted with a fitted cap, I'll insert a little clip here so you guys can see. The wig has a little seam on the inside that is sewn together in 2 different sections. So they go out of their way to ensure that this wig lays very flat gluelessly. It's intended to be worn glueless, as you can tell. Look at that hairline, guys. Chef's kiss, beautiful. You can really pull that wig down, snug on your head, and it's not gonna feel like it's bulging or puffy over here because it's really snug to your ear. So the hair definitely is going to need some training. What does that mean? We need the hot comb because it was used to being over on this side. So now we need to train that to lay on this side. And nothing a hot comb can't fix. You might just need to hold it down on the hair a little bit longer. Maybe you're not a side part babe, and maybe you're just like a middle part babe like me. If you're a middle part babe and you want your hair to look, you know, don't feel like you can't shift that parting around, because you can definitely do that. Does that not look like a totally different wig now? Yeah, very beautiful. Tell me which way you guys prefer it on me, please, because if I'm just delusional, then it's fine. I'll be delusional. But I think that it looks better on me in the middle part. By the way, guys, I'm working on something. I'm working on many things, but I'm working on something special that I want to share with you guys. I'm going to be sharing that with you guys real soon. Stick around for that. Yes, a darling. Ooh, do we see that? Yeah, gorge. Gorgeous. And just like that, guys, we have a totally different wig because it looks different because of the style. Yes, this is how she's meant to be worn on me. Amazing. If you want to check out this wig from Luvmehair, I'm going to link it in the description box for you. I think because I styled her this way, I'm loving her even more. She's giving layers, she's giving classy, she's giving demure, she's giving cutesy. Yes, love it. Definitely recommend you guys checking them out. And the hair is just superior quality. You can see how shiny and healthy it is, how bouncy it is. Like, look at that. 10 out of 10. Definitely recommend. Go check them out. I'm going to link it in the description box for you guys. I hope you found this video helpful. I got to go. Bye, y'all.